Troubleshooting the CL display message on an LG dryer. Your LG dryer is equipped with a child lock, also called control lock. This safety feature locks the control panel and prevents children from unsupervised use of the dryer. A CL code or child lock reading on your LG dryer's display is not an error code, but rather an indication that the lock is activated. When the lock is active, the control panel is disabled and settings cannot be changed. To deactivate the child lock, for most dryer models, press and hold the button labeled child lock or control lock as the secondary function for 3 seconds. Keep pressing and holding the button until the CL indication disappears or the lock icon on the display panel turns off. Note that unplugging the dryer and plugging it back in will not reset the lock. To activate the child lock, simply press and hold the same button for 3 seconds until the CL code and lock icon appear on the display panel.